urolwamirite olwamya kiotumiri bwa mutandao na kinyite mbere ya kamiti ya UKINYANIRIA kendo tariria kethira kwina UGWATI bweku kia Kenya barabe ichiandikithire metho yo World Coin. Commission na taririti bandikire ntumiri kulikithia na kuritira Kenya mukana na kuotina mawatho ntheuroni ya Kenya yarayombekio tetheria kurieria kana ukabironto ya boya brato kwiru mwandiki wetu wa ndeto kuma mushine munene wa Nairobi Anthony Wakadhenya.
As the data commissioner, do you understand the real intentions of WorldCoin? Why was WorldCoin offering money to people?
This information has gone out. Do you know how it is being used out there?
Why didn't anyone sound an alarm on this way before we had so many Kenyans queuing up to actually have their iris and data taken?
What is the risk in the data so far outsourced from the Kenyans?
Bibi ni biolia kumakia bunge bakamiti ya ICT bunge ni nene bakiendaga kumenya kethero ntetoji ya Kenya ilija jukiro tukira metho ni kambuni ya WorldCoin ni mbige wega na bula igotomeka bala alimbele ya kamiti ni commission ya umenyeri bwa data kana nteto ikonene ya Kenya batongelito ni commission ya munene immaculate kasait agitetera commission ino kasaiti nilitite tipota gitengo ndibandikire baroa kambuni ya WorldCoin tariki 30 mwezi wa 5 mwaka uju bakenda ya kambuni ni rungamia wandikithie bwantu kwetukira mubango uju kasaiti akeli degete kambuni ni tabadhikilia ni athile na mbele na mubango uju mpaka lile mutaratara uju lakinyile kuonekana ukithithika nyombani ya KICC. Kasaiti nilitete nyuma kumenya utungata bwa kambuni eno ni bwathijaga na mbele ni balutile mukana kire ya Kenya akoni nabo kunenkanira data jiao kire kambuni eno.
We were not satisfied when we did a spot check in April. We issued a letter of cessation. We issued a public notice. We issued a letter, and we also went to court to have preservation order. We found ourselves in a situation where, even despite our caution to the members of the public, they still went ahead to give up the information.
Mutongeli jo commission ino akijija na mbele kwelidete batali ino menyo bwa mekalika malama dhidikaga nyombani ya KICC.
On the operation of the KICC, we were not aware of the engagement with the IKC.
Kasaita keli degete kwina wagibu wa watho pulabombo tetherio sonkoni pukuni dhina taino gatega itengo mwanya.
Chair, when you look at the issue at hand on WorldCoin, they are beyond data protection. They are issues that touch on finance, on crypto. We don't have the mandate to look at cryptocurrency. There are issues to do with the cyber security. We don't have the mandate to look at cyber security. What we are saying, the current law as it is has gaps in terms of making sure that a cross collaboration at the point where you approve a registration exists.
Kamiti ni ICT hedhe niliditia tetenganirito ni masokio kumagi commission ino na imulite gusokia bionde kuitukira kuandika ripoti kile kamiti ino mbele ya muthenyo 5 kiuma giki.
Because now it appears that you did do your job, but somebody has pressurized you to keep quiet.
We are seeking your written resubmission of responses to the questions that we have asked. We have found the submissions insufficient to totally exonerate the Office of Data Protection Commission from culpability.
Kuma muji munene wa Nairobi, Beta Anthony, rangi Wakadhenya.